something new every show. Sure. The whole inside line. So how are you going to get there? Oh my God, get away from me. Go forward, trot, go. Just go forward. I didn't mean right to the jump, but okay.
Next up is 232, Alexa Nicole, right of Ricky Bobby.
Oh, that joke went perfect in my mouth.
Roll back. Hold your reins, sit still, and just leg. Doesn't know what lead he's on. S turn. Sit out. Sit out. Good boy. Cross canters most of the course. Whatever it takes to get around. Don't take out any of the jumps. Okay. So, bending, outside, second brown, oxer. Don't be surprised by the turns this time. Just wait. I know. There you go. Run past it. Oh, good boy. There. Now you found your rhythm. Turn. Land and turn inside off of this. Turn. Now. Push, push. Good boy. Grunt and all.
Nice.
Good, now he doesn't have to do that for a long time again. Go home and rest him for a few days.
Yeah.